Now, we all have dreams of becoming rich and successful, but for most it will be just that, a dream. Simply put, not everyone has what it takes to become rich, unless you hit it lucky or inherit it. That's not to say that you can't have a good life. It's just that you need certain qualities to be really successful long-term in business and wealth building. So how do you know if you have what it takes? Having money or even an understanding is helpful to begin with, but it doesn't mean you automatically have the skills, mindset, or ability to make more of it. Contrary to what social media shows us, most people become millionaires in their 40s and 50s after decades of hard work and dedication. These successful people who make it normally have the following 5 qualities. If you have them, then you have a much greater chance of making it big. First on the list is having a growth mindset. This means that you believe that your abilities and skills can be developed over time. You don't give up easily when faced with challenges, and you're always looking for ways to improve yourself. Why is this a sign that you're going to make a lot of money? Simple. Having a growth mindset means that you're willing to learn and adapt to changes in the world around you. You're not afraid to take risks, and you're always looking for new opportunities to grow and improve. For example, let's say you're an entrepreneur who's just starting out. You have a small business that's struggling to get off the ground, but instead of giving up, you start networking with other entrepreneurs and learning everything you can about marketing and sales. Eventually, you start seeing more customers and making more money. This is the power of having a growth mindset. Number 2, you're willing to invest in yourself. This means that you're willing to spend money on things that will help you grow and develop your skills, such as courses, books, or coaching. Why is this important? Well, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the eyes of others. If you're constantly improving your skills and knowledge, you'll be able to offer more value to your clients or customers. And when you offer more value, you can charge more money for your services. For example, let's say you're a freelance writer who wants to improve your writing skills. You decide to invest in a course that teaches you how to write better copy. After taking the course, you start getting more clients and charging higher rates for your work. Your investment in yourself has increased your overall earning potential. Number 3, you have multiple streams of income. Another sign that you're going to make a lot of money is having multiple streams of income. This means that you have more than one source of income, such as a side hustle or rental property. Why is this important? Well, having multiple streams of income means that you're not reliant on one source of income. If one stream of income dries up, you still have others to fall back on. Plus, having multiple streams of income means that you have the potential to make more money overall. For example, let's say you have a full-time job, but you also have a side hustle selling handmade jewelry online. While your full-time job provides a steady paycheck, your side hustle brings in extra income that you can use to pay off debt or save for retirement. Number 4, you're a problem solver. This means that you're someone who's able to come up with creative solutions to problems and challenges. Why is this important? Well, being a problem solver is a valuable skill in the business world. If you're able to solve problems for your clients or customers, they'll be more likely to keep coming back to you. Plus, being a problem solver means that you're able to identify opportunities where others might only see obstacles. For example, let's say you're a real estate agent who's trying to sell a house that's been on the market for a long time. Instead of giving up, you start thinking about creative ways to market the property, such as hosting an open house or creating a virtual tour. Eventually, you're able to find a buyer for the property and close the deal. Number 5, you have a strong work ethic. This means that you're someone who's willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve your goals. Why is this important? Well, achieving financial success requires hard work and dedication. If you're someone who's willing to put in the effort, you'll be more likely to achieve your goals and make a lot of money. For example, let's say you're an aspiring actor who's trying to break into the industry. You're willing to work long hours and take on any role, no matter how small, in order to build your resume and gain experience. Eventually, your hard work pays off, and you land a leading role in a major motion picture. This is the power of having a strong work ethic. Of course, there are many other factors that can contribute to financial success, such as luck and timing. But if you are strong in these 5 areas, then you are far more likely to succeed, however long it takes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.